Number 1. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome combines ultra-luxury living and hypercar DNA. A limited edition RV for millionaires, celebrities, and progressive collectors. A design, performance, and luxury masterpiece. Performance and powertrain. Traditional motorhomes trade comfort for performance, but not the 2026 Bugatti. A carbon aluminum monocoque chassis and Bugatti's engine are employed. Quad-turbo 8.0-liter W16 hybrid. It has 1,100 pound-feet of torque, 1,200-plus horsepower, and a safety-limited 155 miles per hour top speed. 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. For the first time, all-wheel drive gets the camper from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. This RV's unique adjustable air suspension, active aerodynamics, and carbon ceramic brakes give it remarkable speed and stability. Interior of moving mansion. French craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and luxury hitherto reserved for private jets and mega yachts are in the cabin. Elegant lounge personalized crystal bar with champagne cooler, biometric access, retractable table, mood lighting, 65-inch rollaway OLED display with 4D Dolby Atmos audio, panoramic electrochromic ceiling with starry effect, and hand-stitched Bugatti leather seats with carbon fiber trim, mirror-finished walls with hidden smart screens, full-width king-size bed with memory foam and silk linen, walk-in wardrobe with automated lighting and humidity control, an aroma diffuser, automated blackout curtains, carbon fiber accents on Italian marble worktops, and Gaggenau induction cooktops. Smart refrigerators and microwaves are in an upscale kitchen. Intelligent systems and tech. Solar-tiled roof with lithium-ion battery backup. AI-powered smart control system, Bugatti Life, for voice and app interaction. 5G plus satellite internet with augmented reality overlays. Complete automation with concierge, water, power, and leveling. Face recognition, great features in security engine and cabin fire suppression. Med drone alert and emergency health monitoring. 360-degree LiDAR and thermal detection. Low-speed automated parking and city navigation. Target audience ideal for hypercar collectors, billionaires seeking unique mobile luxury, VIP globe tours and red carpet events, luxury brands and global campaign influencers. Number 2026 Nissan Limousine RV. The 2026 Nissan Limousine RV combines luxury limousine with fully equipped RVs. This vehicle is ideal for executive tours, VIP travel, and lavish family road trips due to its advanced technology and sumptuous amenities. Performance and powertrain hybrid drivetrain with smooth V6 gasoline engine and exceptional electric motor technology is planned for the 2026 Nissan Limousine Motorhome. Some performance highlights: 3.5-liter V6 hybrid rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive are available. The hybrid has an 8-speed automatic or ECVT transmission, 400 horsepower, and a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. It also has a range of over 600 miles. The suspension's adjustable dampers and comfort settings make long interstate drives more comfortable. Interior living area. Nissan Limousine Motorhomes are luxurious mobile suites with excellent entertainment and comfort. This living area has smart home controls for lighting, climate, and media, a 55-inch OLED TV with surround sound, fold-out tables, a mini fridge, sumptuous leather chairs with massage and ventilation, ambient LED lighting, and motorized privacy barriers. Sleep well in the bedroom with adjustable mood lighting, under-bed storage, a convertible rear cabin that becomes a queen-size memory foam bed, and soundproofed walls. A kitchenette, small and functional with a stainless steel sink, dual burner induction cooktop, microwave, compact freezer, and refrigerator. An integrated coffee maker. The bathroom has a skylight, vanity sink with mirror, ventilation fan, eco-flush toilet, and private wet bath with hot water shower. 5G Wi-Fi hotspot, 360-degree camera system, smart parking assist, integrated smart assistant voice activated for car and cabin functions, rooftop solar panels with battery backup for off-grid use, and Nissan Pro Pilot Assist 2.0 for driver assistance. ADAS, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, emergency braking, pedestrian recognition, front collision warning, motorhome fire suppression, and more safety features. Target market. The 2026 Nissan Limousine Motorhome appeals to celebrities, executive transport companies, VIP private travel, and luxury road travelers seeking mobility and comfort.